Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to use a joiner to make tapered table legs. Hey, so the first step in this taper is going to be to mark the length of your full taper. So in this case, we're going to make a 16-inch taper, and then I'm going to mark 8 inches. That's the halfway point of my taper. It's also a good idea to just wrap your lines all the way around your board. That way, no matter how you set it on the joiner, it'll be easy to read. So the next step is to actually set up the joiner itself. We're going to remove the guard for the setup, but we're going to replace it for safety reasons. First, you're going to notice that we loosen the infeed table so that we can lower it down. Now you want to lower this to half the depth of the taper that you're going to make. I'm going to make a 1/2 inch taper, so I'm going to set my infeed a 1/4 inch lower than my outfeed table. So we're going to use a square here to mark where the cutter head stops cutting. This is key so that we can stop our cut in a precise place. Take a pencil and mark it. This changes based on the depth of your infeed table. Okay, so now we're on to the actual tapering of the leg. Set it up so that your halfway piece, or the end of your leg, where the taper is going to be the deepest, is going to cut first. You're going to cut halfway down and stop at that line right there and lift it out. That's going to give that 1/4 inch taper. And now we'll flip it around, pressing down on the part that we just cut so that it's at an angle. You're going to cut again and push it all the way through so that it creates that full taper. And there it is, a 1/2 inch taper, 16 inches long. So you can do this for any depth of taper. Again, the steps are to mark your layout, how long you want your full taper, mark halfway down it. Then you're going to set your infeed table half the depth of your cut, your total taper. And then you're going to run it from the bottom forward, stopping at that halfway point, flip it around, run it again from the other direction so that you hit your full taper on that pass, and you are good to go. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button. Also, check out these videos on our full table build and other ways that you can level up your table.